Welcome back to Hodge-Podge Garage. And yeah, so we just finished our 500 subscriber giveaway video, and I kind of spaced it and didn't do the announcement. So here it is, 1,000 subs. So what's the giveaway? What's in the box? What's in the box? Well, it's actually on our wall right over here. So, first prize, grand prize. You have a choice. Choice number one, you come on vacation and we put some of this to use. As you know, Emily and I have a couple of boats and we love the water. Check out one of the boats here. Alright, so I know that may be a little bit difficult for some people to come, but I thought that would be a kind of cool prize. So that's choice number one for the first prize. Choice number two is a sculpture. I don't know if you've seen some of the older videos that I did, but out of some of these car parts from the satellite, got a bunch of parts up here, all the stuff that came out of that 400 cubic inch engine, I made a GSP sculpture. And then I also, for my 100 sub giveaway, gave away an ATST, All-Terrain Scout Transport, I think is what it's called, sculpture from Star Wars. And Bubba's Garage has that. So definitely go check him out. He's got a vid up of it. But yeah, prize number one, grand prize, you get to choose. Either come down and hang out with me and Emily, maybe do a little collaboration video, and get out and either go gigging, go bay fishing, maybe surf fishing, possibly offshore fishing. We'll figure it out. Obviously that depends on time and stuff, so we'll have to organize it around vacation schedules and whatnot, and obviously depends on the weather too. Choice two, like I said, the sculpture. And if you would rather something else, like I said in my intro video, I am an artist, so I do kind of wacky stuff. Here's one of my sketchbooks. You might recognize this from, might recognize that from some of the videos right there. That is my tattoo that I designed. So do some wacky stuff like that. I've got some more kind of abstract stuff, napkin drawings, so from going into bars and whatnot, just draw on napkins, ballpoint pen, and yeah, some more napkin drawings and whatnot. If you can comment below what this is, which famous artist actually did this first, then I'll give you an extra entry also. Actually, don't comment below. Send it to me in direct message. Let's keep it civil so people just don't read through the comments. So if you know where this was inspired from, then shoot me a direct message and you'll get bonus entry. So yeah, that's just some of my work, and like to draw and whatnot. Anyways, okay, so for 1,000 subscriber giveaway, it might not be that long around the corner. I'm at just under, I think, 550 right now, but I have gained over 200 subscribers in like 8 days. So that means that this can happen with your help. And how could you possibly help, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked, because I've got contest rules right here. First and foremost, you must subscribe. Yeah, you know it. It's got to be one of those. Hey, if you're commenting on my videos, may as well subscribe anyways, even if you're a troll. I don't really have that many though. I think I've had only 2 troll comments ever. Anyways, must subscribe. Number 2, you must like the video, so give it a thumbs up, smash it, awesome. Number 3, alright, now we're getting into the meat and potatoes here, a video response. So you got to do a VR video, and the title must contain hashtag HPG 1KGAW for giveaway. So do that. Hashtag HPG 1KGAW. I know I'm hanging around on this for a minute, but you might want to check down in the descriptions later if you don't recall. Alright, then we've got the video response. What has it got to be? Well, tell your experience fishing and what you like to do as far as fishing, or what sculpture you would like me to build. It's up to you. It could be a bird, motorcycle, if you like, I don't know, a giraffe. I don't care. Doesn't matter to me. You just let me know and I'll make it. I'm sure I'll figure out something crafty. Alright, then we got bonus entries. Bonus. Yeah, share on any social media and paste the URL in the comments. I'll approve it. I know they go to spam when you have URLs in there, but do it anyways. Hey, we're all trying to get our names out there and grow this faster. We've got little less than 500 subscribers to go, halfway to the 1,000 mark, and this is how you guys can help. Bonus times 2. Send a new subscriber over to the channel and have them comment that you sent them. Have them come to this video right here and say, so and so sent me. So that is the contest rules. Alright, some final thoughts here. As time goes on, I'm going to try to add maybe a couple more smaller prizes along the way. I don't know, thinking about gift cards and all that kind of stuff, but I don't know, I just like to try to think outside the box a little bit. But a couple of last things. There has been so much support from various channels out there. I got to do a couple shout outs. One to Papa Texas. Man, you rock. He has been helping me out so much by just throwing my name out there, linking my channel, getting people to come over and check out the giveaways and other videos, and that is much appreciated, man. I really, really appreciate it, because that's helped me immensely over the past week, and I would venture to say that at least probably 50 people from your channel came over to mine and got subs out of it, so that's awesome. Mr. Mach 1 also, for these channels, I'll put links down there in the description, so check them out. Please go over there, give them a thumbs up, hit that like button and subscribe, and throw a comment down there. Tell them that I sent you over. Now, I'm going to move in a slightly different direction, because those two channels are a little bit bigger. They've got over 1,000, maybe 2,000 subscribers. I think actually Papa Tex is up to like 2,800 or something. But there have been a lot of new subscribers to the channel, so you know, pay it forward. I want to help you guys out. First and foremost, let's see here. I've got them written down here. Jeep Things Outdoors. Really cool channel. Obviously has to do with Jeeps. Got his Cherokee, I think, that he works on and plays around with. He did a shout out pretty much out of the blue, and just talked about my channel and enjoying it. And likewise, man, I've been checking out a few of your vids. I've got so many new subscribers right now. I've been trying to just hop around and get a little watch time on everybody. So thank you so much. I appreciate that. Links down here in the description. Please go down there and click them. Go over to these guys, help them out, let them know that I sent you. Then we also have Lone Star Rider. He's got a giveaway going on right now. He's got some motorcycle bags. He does a lot of videos on motorcycles. Go check him out too. He's another Lone Star Texas subscriber. So gotta love the Texas gang. All right, then we have Big Dog Leather. He's got a contest. I think it's still going on right now. He does leather making, and he's making a bracelet. It's pretty badass, so I would go check that out too. And let's see here. Get It Garage. Got to get over there. Give him a subscription. Give him a like. Smash that bell. And hang out with Get It Garage. He's also got a Jeep Cherokee. So for Jeep Things Outdoors, you should check him out as well. He's the winner of today's giveaway, and that was really fun. So I appreciate you guys watching. I really do want to make this channel more fun, make it exactly what you guys want to see. So by all means, as some of you did on the last video, send me some messages either in the comments, send a direct message, let us know what we can do better, let us know what you want to see, and we'll see what we can do about it. Thanks guys, don't forget, make cool. I'm not going to say it this time. Let's see if it gets monetized. Later.